So you might be in this crazy situation where for some reason you want to go ahead and fix your CapCut if it's glitching or if it's lagging or whatever the case is. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The most reason why this particular application may be glitching or may not be working the best for you is usually because of some sort of weird, phone issue that you're basically having. If your phone is very, very outdated, like if it's a very old, outdated phone, there's really not much you can do. You just have to go ahead and kind of get a newer phone. But if your phone is fairly new, if it's a fairly newer phone, then the first thing I recommend doing is going through and seeing the video that you're, actually editing. If you have a bunch of complicated edits, if you have a bunch of textures and texts over it, and you have a bunch of transitions and everything like that, the reason why this particular application will glitch there is because you have a lot of different things going on in the background. So what you can try doing is if you have a bunch of apps open in the background, you can try closing them. You can also try going through if you're like split screen multitasking somehow, closing out of that. But the big thing though is just to understand that the more complicated things you have within a CapCut, the more likelihood there's going to be more glitches. So keep that in mind. Now another thing you can try doing is going through and actually updating CapCut. So what you can do here is make your way right into your app store just like so. Click on your search bar at the bottom and then go ahead and just type in CapCut as you normally would. So type in CapCut, and what's probably going to end up happening here, you're going to find the application just like this. What you're going to want to do now though, is you want to go and click on update, and what's going to happen is CapCut will go ahead and essentially update right onto your phone like this. So that's really all you're going to have to do here too. So you can give it a few seconds, let it update. Now, if it updates and it's still not working, the other thing you may want to try doing as well, going through restarting your phone. For some reason your phone's having an issue, you can try restarting it. If it's still not working, you can try seeing if there's an issue with your device. You can try updating your software of your phone, but those are basically the main ways to go and fix the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.